Hey, stop. I'm telling you a real horror story. The Cursed Hotel. This story was real. The camera pans across a dense forest, showing an old decayed hotel standing in the middle of nowhere. The building's massive broken windows, covered walls, and an eerie fog creeping around the terrace. The moonlight barely illuminates the structure, making it look very scary and horrible. Ryan, well, this doesn't look creepy at all. Jack, dude, this place is straight out of horror movie. Liam, that is the point. Let's get inside before the checking out. Ryan, I am scared. Don't. The friends step in the dust-covered lobby, their flashlights barely breaking the thick darkness. A massive candlelight swayed slightly even though there's no wind. The walls are stained with faded painting of people whose eyes seem to follow them. A guest book sits at the front desk, but the names inside are written in blood red ink. Rihan, this place smells like something dead here. Emily, don't be scared. Jack, maybe because something did. Emily, come on, let's check the room. Ryan walks alone down a long, narrow hallway. His flashlight flickers at the wall, seeming to close in around him. A soft whisper comes from the behind, but when he turns, no one is here. No one is here. Suddenly, a shadow figure appears at the end of hallway. A woman in white standing unnaturally still. Ryan whispering, "What's the hell?" The woman tilts her head unnaturally, then suddenly charges at him. Ryan screaming, "No, no, 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 please no." The woman cuts to black. Ryan, I am very scared. Let's go out. Jax hears Ryan scream but only finds his camera on the ground, still recording. He picks it up, reaming it, and sees the last frame Ryan alone but with a shadow hand reaching for him. Suddenly the door slams shut behind him. A deep, inhuman breath is heard. He turns and a twisted, grinning face is emits from his own. Jack, oh my god, what is that? The entity let out a glitter lung before launching. Jack, help me. Emily, now alone, stumbling into a massive ballroom, but the furniture is covered in a white sheet resembling ghostly figures standing in rows. A grand piano plays by itself in the corner. A woman's voice whispers in his ear, "We should never have come here." He turns at the woman in the white is right behind him. Her jaws unique, her eyes turn black at the room and swallowed in darkness. Lemmy, please, I don't want to die. Please, I don't want to die. The ghost smiles, whisper. She suddenly everything goes silent. Was dead. After a morning, the hotel stand untouched, looking as if nothing happened. The camera slowly zoomed in on a lobby mirror, where the reflection shows their shadow. Three figures with Ryan, Jack, and Lime. There are now parts of the hotel. The screen glitches at the light sound soft in a whisper. Final whisper, "You are next." Cut to black.